Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, we are going to continue the Audacity software, the work that we were going last time. I'm going to open the Audacity software in front of you. All the students will keep their cameras closed. Acha, is there any student who is unable to install the Audacity? All the students, I suppose all the students have already installed. I had told you the procedure. No need to raise the hand. No need to raise the hand. Only that should raise the hand who is unable to install, who has not installed. If someone has installed and he is raising the hand to tell me that I have installed, so no need. Okay. If someone is there who is unable to install, that person should raise the hand. Yes, Habib Haider.
Yes sir, अभी भी नहीं हुआ, मेरा इंस्टॉल नहीं हुआ
I had
Audacity.
I had shared the video in your Google Classroom. I had shown you the procedure. I had told you the website link, which one is basically the website link Audacity. When you type Audacity over here, so you will see that audacity.com, it is the website. You go on this website and then you can download it for the Windows. So this was the platform, and we said that you have to download it from here. Okay, anyway, you have to try it. There isn't any problem in it while installation. Okay. Mohammad Maz.
Sir, how to download Audacity for Mac?
For Mac, one Mac link is also given over here on the website. You can see over here. For Mac, the Audacity link is given over here. So then you can download it.
Sir, it contain virus or is it free?
No, it is an authentic website. So a registered website is there. So there isn't any problem of the virus. You can install it from here. Okay, ji. Where's Yasin?
Yes, sir. When I try to install, it comes first login as administrator like this.
Yeah, definitely. You have to log in your PC as an administrator. If you don't have the admin password, then ask your parents. They will give you the administrator password. Means without the administrator password, you won't be able to install any software on your PC. Says Raza Haider. Yes, quickly.
So I had same question about the Mac.
Mac, I have already explained. Okay, one Mac option is also there. You can see on the link. When you will go to the link of Mac, then you can download it from here. Okay, this is the file that is given over there, and you can download it and then you can install it. Asha ji, please now lower the hand, all the students. Now, what we are going to do today, what is basically the checklist for today? What is the topic? I'm going to show you one file on your screen. That what actually we are going to do, so that you must be clear about the points that we are going to cover. In last time, we have seen how to record a file, how to import a file, how to publish a file in MP3 format. Okay. अच्छा जी, अब हमने आज क्या करना है? How to record a file and how to remove noise from that recorded audio track. This is an important thing, because normally when we record a file, so there is noise in it. Sound of fan, sound of environment, some other factors are there. Our mic is not that much good. Such kind of things are there with our sound. So how we can remove this is basically a very important thing, and how we can uh, make our file a proper file by removing the extra sounds, the noise of the environment. Yes, Maz, you have got question. I have already replied for all the questions. Now let me go towards
No, sir.
yes.
Another question, sir. Yesterday, what did you explain? I was traveling, so I didn't understood anything yesterday.
Yesterday we had the class for P3. P3 class was not there.
Sorry, sir. On Tuesday.
So if something happens like this, so you can go to your Google Classroom and go to your class, as I have told you, when you will log in, and then you can find out the video over there for that particular date, because I am regularly uploading the videos. So on 18th, if you are not present, you can go there and go through this video which is there, okay, in which I am explaining all these things. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine, Maz. Okay. Acha ji. Now, please pay attention. Now, please pay attention. Those, listen now, all these students kindly. Those who have joined without mentioning their class, they should leave quickly and rejoin again. Because two classes are there and I have to find the names in 1 and 2, and then it is not possible for us to find out. Hamna Rais, this is not your class time. Hamna Rais. P1A. So all these students who have joined the class, they should leave and rejoin who have not mentioned their classes after their names. Munib Javed. And those all students who have not mentioned their classes after their names, they should leave and rejoin again quickly. Acha ji. So today what I am going to explain you, the very first point is that record a file, number one. We will record a file, and then how to remove noise from that particular track. This is the thing that we need to understand. And if you go to the book, you will see that this thing is given in your books on your page number. I think page number was 1892. Okay. Yes. The removal of noise. This is the topic that we are discussing right now. And this is given on your books, page number 94. Okay. So removal of noise is basically the topic that we are discussing right now. Just pay attention and look at the screen. First, I am going to record a file. Then see, whenever we are recording a file, keep in mind that we will leave some seconds in the beginning. We will not start when we play the record button and we start speaking. No. Or singing. No. We will leave some seconds, 3 to 4 seconds, and then we will start recording, so that we can see what kind of noise is there that I am going to show you in this demo that I am going to give you. Okay. Now I am going to click on the record button. I have opened the Audacity file. I am going to click on the record button. Now I am going to record my voice in this file. I have left some seconds in the beginning so that there should be a proper recording and we can judge the noise. Okay, then I press the stop button. Now if you see that I have left some portion in the beginning where I did not start the recording. Are you getting this thing? This is how we can see what kind of noise is there. What kind of noise? Now let me play and now please listen to it. Listen to it carefully. Let me increase the loudness. The loudness is, I think, maximum. Okay. Now I am going to record my voice in this file. I have left some seconds in the beginning so that there should be. Achha, when I am playing this thing, you will see that when I am playing in the beginning. So there is a noise of the fan and of environment. Environmental noise is there, that is being seen over there on this line. Some wave is there, some small wave is there. If I click on it, okay. So some wave is there, as if I show you this thing. So some wave is there which is basically exhibiting the noise available. When I play it, you can listen, the noise is there. Okay, in the beginning. Now I am going to record. Okay, so this noise will come when we are playing this file. So how we can overcome this problem, and how we can remove this initial wave of noise which is there, and it is there if with the whole recording. What are the steps? Now please see the steps that we are going to follow over here. Please see the steps quickly. Number one, we will select this portion. We will select this portion only to identify the noise, and we will go to the effects. Okay, we will go to the effects and we will find out over here noise reduction or noise removal. Noise reduction option would be there, or even noise removal. This is the noise reduction option. If we go down, if we may, it is possible. Okay, noise removal option is there. So if both of the options are there, or if any one of the option is there, you can use in it. And over here I am going to take the noise reduction option. Noise reduction. Now over here you will see that one dialog box appears. Over there you will see that get noise profile. I will have to click once on it, so it will find out the noise available, get noise profile. Okay, when this thing is done, then I will go to the select option, and I will select all, matlab complete track. I will select the complete track by going to the select all option. So now complete track is selected. Now I will go again, where to which option? I will go to effects. To effects I will go again, and I will find out noise removal, or as I have told you, you will have to find out the noise reduction option. This is the noise reduction option. Now you will see that noise reduction is there, that we are going to, after doing this, first what did we do? We selected the initial portion, get noise profile, and then we selected the complete file by going to the select portion, select menu. And now I'm over here, I'm going to manage this thing, okay, whether I should increase the noise reduction by going to the 30 point or 20 point, or decrease the noise reduction. So if I decrease it, you will see, if I play the preview. Now I am going to record. So by increasing the reduction of the noise, the quality of the noise will be better. The quality of the sound will be better, and the noise will be removed. So I have made it from 20 to 30. इसको मैंने क्या कर दिया? I have increased the dBs from 20 to 30. Now see, in the beginning no noise is there. Now I am going to record. And now when I will click OK, you will see that this line is now straight. See this. This line is not having that wave now. This line is not having that wave now. Why? Because this noise has been reduced by us. Now if I play it from the beginning, you will see the change, the noise is not there. No particular noise is there. And now I am going to record my voice in the quality of the sound file. Seconds in the beginning. The quality of the sound file is now better. Okay. You can see these steps again by playing the video. What were these steps? As I have told you. So this is the point that is covered now, which is how to remove noise from your. But whenever you record, keep in mind, leave some time in the beginning, 3 to 4 seconds, so that we can apply by getting the noise profile. Okay, this thing is now clear. Okay, now how to record over an audio playback. Music should play with it and we are recording over it. How we can do this? If you have downloaded some music file, some playback file, and you want to record on it, how we are going to do this job? This is the thing that we need to understand. How we can record on an audio track. If we go to the book, so you will see that recording audio track option is there, and how we can record using a playback. This is the thing that I am going to explain you. I am going to save this file that I have already created. Save project, so that I can close it. This is the file of remove noise that we did on 20th August. Okay. Now I'm going to close this file by going to the file menu, and by going to close button. We can directly close by pressing the Control W. Okay. Then I am going to the file and I am going to import a file, audio file. One audio file is there with me with the name of my audio that I am going to import. I have imported this audio file. This audio file is behaving as a playback file that I have got over here. Getting this point? If I play, you can listen that this is a music. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want this background music is playing and I want to speak, or if you want to sing with it. So that particular sound should be recorded. But keep in mind that when we will do this, the music will be played in the background. You will be able to listen. If you have got the headphones, so you will be able to listen in the headphone. Otherwise, using your speaker, you will be able to listen the sound. And then when we will click the recording, so recording will be going on with it. How we are going to do this? We will go to the tracks and we will go to the add new. See the things that I am going to do. See the steps that I am going to follow over here. I will go to the tracks and I will go to the add new and I will go to stereo track over here. I will click on it. When I will click on it, you will see that one track is added over here. Nothing is there in this track. Now I am on this track now. Nothing is there in this track. Okay. This is the track which is added now. And what I am going to do, I am going to record something over here with this background music. Okay. Now I am going to click on the record button and I will record the sound. Now with this background music, I am going to give you the instructions that how you can record on a playback. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback. When you are singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can play it and then you can record your voice on it. So it is a quite simple way to do so. Okay. Now this afterwards I press the stop button so that the audio track is done now. Okay, all the students will keep their cameras closed. Acha ji, now if I play this file, playback will be played. This is the playback track which I imported in the beginning. and this is the audio track that I recorded afterwards. Okay. So basically now there are basically the two tracks are there. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to play. Now with this background music, I am going to give you the instructions that how you can record on a playback. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback. When you are singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can play it and then you can record your voice on it. So it is a quite simple way to do so. Okay. Acha, so this is the point that we have covered, ki how to record over an audio playback. This is the point that we have covered now. Let me mark the attendance first, and then we will go towards some new things. I will also give you the question and answers for this chapter today that you have to write in your answer copy. From Saif to Kamlesh Kumar. From Kamlesh Kumar to Rafi Saeed. And then Rafi Saeed to Muhammad Munam. Okay. Okay, just a minute. The attendance is not done yet. From Saif to Kamlesh Kumar. From Kamlesh Kumar to Rafi Saeed. And from Rafi Saeed to Muhammad Munam. Okay. Acha ji. Now, as I have told you, voice, the playback music is there and the audio recording on it is there. Okay. Now, the thing that I'm going to explain you. Up to here, if you have got any question, please ask me. If you have got any question up to here, please ask me, then we can move ahead. Asad Masood.
Sir, can you explain this feature again?
I have explained you, first you will open the audio track number 1 by going to the import button. ठीक है, ये किया मैंने पहले. When audio track comes, then go to the, tracks and go to the add new and take stereo track. One blank track will come here at the down. Okay, down. ये यहाँ पे black track आ गया. Then you will click on the record button and will start recording. When the recording is done, you will click on the stop button. This is the procedure. Sayyid Raza Haider.
Sir, in this application, can we also screen record?
No, this is Audacity. Audacity means only audio. It is dealing with all the audio's options. Okay? Video editing, video related things are not there. Okay?
Okay, and sir, I also have an application for the video app inside my phone, and it also has the environmental volume issue.
Yeah,
Do you have
a number of apps are there. The apps are there through which you can separate the voice audio from the video file. You can edit the audio. You can make separate the vocals and the audio in a song. All different applications are there, but this is the application which is given in our syllabus. So we are discussing all those options, and we are going to have the question and answer afterwards, and I will upload the question and answer for this chapter in your Google Classroom that you have to accomplish. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Rafi Saeed.
Sir. Sir, can we like voiceover in this app? Sir, the voiceover for video like?
No, not for videos. Keep in mind. Voiceover on audio track. Just like I have shown you, voice हम कर रहे हैं on the playback. Voice we are doing for the playback. Playback is there, music is there For example, if you download the music of a song of Pakistan, you download the music and you play the music and add a new track. First add a new track and then record, press record button and start singing. So when you will start singing, so you will start according, the music will be played with it and you will sing accordingly. So then your song will be ready. So the music is there and you have recorded your voice on it. So voice over in the form of audio playback is there, but the videos are not there in this software. Keep in mind, it is Audacity. Audacity is just strict to the audio things. Okay, audio files.
Thank you, sir.
Acha ji. So now I think this thing is very clear to all of you. Acha ji, now next point is that I'm going to cover how to make a silent portion of an audio track or remove specific words. अब मैं जो यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ, whatever I am talking over here. For example, at some place I want कि these words should not be there. I should remove these words. ठीक है? पहले मैं आपके once again let me play it first, then we will see. Now with this background music, I am going to give you the instructions that how you can record on a playback. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback. When you are singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can play it and then you can record. Now in this way, you will have to see first, okay, where is that word that I am speaking that I don't want to have in my audio. And I want to make it silent at that time, let's suppose. So then what you can do, okay, you will select that portion. First find out, by playing it, first find out. For example, when I am playing it from here, record on a playback. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback. When you are singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can play it and then you can record your voice. Okay. Now I found that I should remove the words, let's suppose from the 11th second to the 15th second, let's suppose. If I find out, okay, these are the words that I should remove. So what I'm actually going to do, I will select the portion in the recording. Okay, let's suppose this is the portion that I want to select. When this is the portion that I will have to select in the recording portion, not in the music portion. If you will select in the music portion, then the music will be removed. Music track will be removed. So this is how you are going to select, and then you will go to the generate option. See this thing, because then you will ask me again, how did you do this? These are the words that I am speaking from 11 to 16 and I want to make it silent. So I will go to the generate button, the generate menu, and I will find out the silent option. Silent option is there. Yes, I will click on it. Then it will give you a dialog box by telling you that it is basically the portion that you have selected for 5 seconds, and then the nanoseconds are also given over here. And this is the sample that you have selected. अगर आप इसको सुनना चाहो कि what you are removing, and in this way basically what we can do, we can record on a playback when you are, अच्छा when you are भी आ रहा है, ठीक है, when you are is also coming over there. So if I am not agreed with this, I can make it cancel and I can reduce it from, let's suppose, from this to this. Okay. Now let me check again. Go there, generate silence, see the preview. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback is not coming now. So what I should do, I should select this and I should cover it over up to here. Okay. Now let me go to the generate. These are the words that I am going to, let me check them. And in this way, basically what we can do, we can record on a playback. Okay. A complete sentence is there that I am going to make silent. I will press OK. Now this will become silent. Now when I will play that, there you will see that this portion is not there. instructions that how you can record on a playback. When you are singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can. Now you saw that that portion that I removed or made silent. What did I do? I made it silent. By selecting that particular portion, I made it silent. So now this portion is basically silent. Okay. Okay. So this is the point that we have covered now, how to make silent a portion of the words or specific words that you want to make silent in your audio file. If you go to your book, so you will see that this thing is there. This thing has been discussed over here. Let me tell you the page. Noise removal, I have already told you how to remove the noise. Deleting audio portion, this was the thing that I had already explained you. How we can make the one portion silent. This is the thing that is given in your book that we have already covered over here. How we can make silent some portion of an audio file that we are using. Okay, so this is I think given on the page number 92 or 93. Okay, how we can make some or a specific portion of the file that is basically that you need to make silent. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is there inside the book, and we will cover the questions as well afterwards. The question and answers are there at the end of the chapter that I'm going to upload. All the questions are about these things that we have studied. List the different audio file formats that can be opened. Okay, what are the default values of the default sample rate I had shown you in the beginning lessons? How can you create copy of the selected audio on the same track? Okay, how can you create the copy of the, so we had discussed these things in the last classes. How to apply effects. Now this is the last thing that we are going to see, how to apply effects. For example, if you want to apply some effects, let's suppose on this music at the end, if I want to apply over here, if you see that, okay, this is the music that we are playing over here. Music for it, you can play it and then you can record your. If I want to apply some effects, there are a number of effects. You have to try all these effects. Select the portion of the music and go to the effects. These all are the effects available over here. Then you can find out, for example, if I'm applying the effect which is fade in or fade out. Okay. Click on the fade in. Now when I will play this file, you will see what kind of effect is there. Now with this background music, I am going to give you the instructions that how you can record on a playback. Now see the change from here. Singing a song and you have got a music for it, you can play it and then you can record your voice on it. So it is a quite simple way to do so. What was there in this effect? When we reached here on this point, the sound became fade in, fade out, and then became out. Then it came to its normal position. So you can apply multiple times. You can apply different effects, okay, on it. So this is the thing that you have to go through. Now, the next thing is that how to apply. This is covered now. Now next thing is that how to trim the portions of the track. As I have told you, this is the file. If I save it, let's suppose if I save this project, and this is basically audio record on music. Okay, this is the file that we have done. Now if I want to take some portion of the, let's suppose from here, if I want to take this portion. Okay, so if I will select this portion and this portion, this complete portion, this is the portion that I have selected on both the tracks. And if I want to make a trim ka matlab, if you want to take this and out as a separate file, so you can trim this selection and you can make another file. So the rest is removed now and only this is there. This is called cropping normally in the other softwares, but over here file cropping, audio cropping is basically called the trimming. Okay, and you can save it as Acha ji. So now this thing is also covered and we are going to see the question and answers. I will upload in your Google Classroom. If you have got any question, please ask me, because 1 minute is left and our class time is now over. If someone has got anything to ask, please ask me quickly. Is there anything to ask? Where's Yasin? Quickly.
Sir, I wanted to ask how to apply effects.